Mallory, what? What's wrong?
Mallory.
Mal. What happened? What did I do? Is everything okay? Mallory. What? Well, what do you want me to
Okay,
do?
now we need to here, let's relax. Oh, who's a good girl? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's it? Ball?
You're done. It's right here.
Oh, there it is. Good girl. Okay, sit. Sit. Do it again. What? I'm not doing it. Get him.
She knows you commanded it.
I'm I'm close up of her lecturing me right now.
Mallory. Mallory.
I didn't call her over to you.
Mal.
Come on, go get Daddy.
Mal.
Go get Daddy. Come on, Mal.
Mallory. Mallory. Come on. She's got her toy now.
I know. Maybe I should take it away. Okay, I'm done. It's gone.
Mal. Mallory.
There. No, where's Daddy?
I think we're done. She's ball fever now.
Sit. Sit. What's wrong with that? Why do you get so mad? Why do you get so mad? Okay, no, you can have the ball. Let me try. Can you get it?
I don't know. Mallory. She's one track minded.
Yeah, she doesn't care about the noise anymore. What if we do a slap? Okay, shh. Mal. Shh. Mal. Okay. Okay, hey, come here. Come here. Okay, hey, relax. Mal.
Good girl.
Here's your good girl. Who's a good girl, Mal? Mal, are you a good girl? Sit. I didn't do it.
What? What's up? Hey, what's wrong? What? It's just a little toot.
Mallory.
Just a little toot.
Just a little toot.
What is wrong? What's going through your little head? What? That's loud. That's
Mallory.
Do you want a shot? Yeah, you're right. Underage dogs should not drink. Good girl.
Good my booby.
Sit.
Good
Good
girl.
girl. Do you want your ball?
Yeah, I think she should get her ball now. Here's your good girl. Here's your good girl. Here's my good girl. Her little tongue was just like going. All right. I love you, honey. That big honey. I love you.
Who, me?
You.
I love you.
We love you too, Mallory. You a good girl? You my good girl?